Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be making this Zobo drink. If you like to see how this recipe is achieved, please stay tuned. So I've been away for quite some time now and I've stopped producing content because things were really getting too hectic with me and I really needed a break and time to keep up to myself. But now I'm back and I'm gonna be producing content for you guys. I hope you guys will keep supporting the Moga's Meals and I hope you guys will keep watching my videos. Thank you. So for this recipe, I'm going to be using Zobo leaves. You want to make sure you wash them with warm water to make sure they are clean before using it for this recipe. I'm also going to be using pineapples, fresh pineapples. And I'm also going to be using orange slices. And I'm going to be using the back of the pineapple as well. You can see the peels. I'm going to be using it for this recipe. This is orange juice. I'll also be using and some cloves for the Zobo drink. And I'm also going to be using ginger. So the first thing I did, I blended my ginger, the pineapple, and a little bit of the oranges together to make the pineapple puree. Sorry I didn't record that part, but that is what is in my blender. The pineapple, the garlic, and oranges, so I made the pineapple puree. So the next thing I'm going to be doing, I'll be putting all the ingredients into the pot and get ready to cook my Zobo. So first I added the Zobo leaves. Next, I'm going to be adding the pineapple puree. I'm just pouring it into the Zobo leaves. And now I'll be adding the orange slices as well. And I'm also going to be adding the pineapple peels into the pot. And now I'll be adding the cloves. I'm just drizzling it all over the recipe. And now I'll be adding water. So I just added water to the bowl that has the Zobo leaves, and now I'll be adding more water to it. So you want to make sure you add as much water as you need for this Zobo to cook very well, and as much as the quantity you want it to be as well. If this is your first time visiting my channel, you're welcome. Please support me by subscribing to my channel as I upload new recipes every week, and I'll be glad to have you in the Moga's Meals family. And I want to say thank you to all of you who have subscribed and keep supporting the Moga's Meals brand. You are the reason why I keep producing more content, and thank you so much. So I'm just giving it a good stir and making sure the water is enough. So I added more water because the water was not enough, the quantity I want it to be. And I'm also giving it a good stir to make sure all the ingredients are incorporated together. I'm going to cover it and allow it to cook. So my Zobo has been cooking for about 30 to 45 minutes. So I just came in to give it a good mix again to see how the Zobo is cooking, and this is looking good. So you can see the orange slices are already having the color of the Zobo leaf. So next I'm going to be using my masher to mash the orange slices because I want the juice to be released into the Zobo, into the drink, and I want the taste to also be incorporated into the drink. So I'm just using it to mash it, and I'm going to cover and allow it to cook for a while again. So my Zobo has been cooking for more than 20 minutes after that, and it's cooked. So I just put off my gas and I'm going to take it off the fire. And the next phase will be to sieve the Zobo. So you will have to wait till it's cooled down, but I didn't have the time to wait because I really wanted to have this drink. So I started sieving the Zobo even while it's hot. So you just have to be careful because Zobo stains. So I'm just pouring a little bit at a time with the Zobo, the peels, and everything in the pot, and I'm straining it to get the juice of the drink, and I'm pouring the other parts I don't want into another bowl there. So you want to repeat this process all over again until all the Zobo juice has been squeezed out and you get your drink. So like I said, you have to be careful in order not to stain your things and stain yourself because Zobo stains. And if you're still watching and you've not subscribed to my channel, please support me by subscribing to my channel as I'll be uploading new recipes every week, and I'll be glad to have you in the Moga's Meals family. So if you want more Zobo, you have to just add more water to the back and the peels that are in the other bowl and squeeze it. But this Zobo was enough for me, so I didn't need to do that. But if you want more quantity, the ones I'm adding to the pot, you can add water and squeeze it out and get more juice. So this is my Zobo juice. I'm also going to be adding more pineapple puree to it. So you want to add more pineapple puree. It's going to give it a very distinct taste. Trust me, it's going to give you a very nice taste. So I just blended more pineapples that I have at home, and I just put the puree into the Zobo, and now I'm giving a good mix. You can have a taste and see if it's too sweet or if it's too bitter, but mine wasn't really there, the taste I wanted. So now I'm just going to be adding a bit of sugar into it. So I'm just adding 2 tablespoons of sugar. If you don't want to add sugar, you can skip this part and have the drink like that, or you can put artificial sweeteners, whatever sweeteners you have at hand. You can add it to the Zobo drink, and trust me, it's gonna be very nice. So I'm just giving it a good mix to make sure the ingredients are properly incorporated together, and my Zobo is good to go. So next, I'm gonna be serving the Zobo. So into a cup, I'm adding ice into the cup, and now I'm just gonna be pouring my Zobo drink. Oh my goodness, look at how this drink came out. It's very good. You can see the color is very red. If you want a lighter recipe, you can add more water and make it light, but this is how I like it. You can see how good this looks. Trust me, it even tastes better when you try this recipe. So this is how my Zobo drink looked like. It tastes good. I had ice because it was hot, and trust me, this drink is good. You can see the ice, you can see the color of the Zobo. It looks good. It tastes even yummy as well. Please leave a comment below, and please give this video a thumbs up if you like this recipe, and I hope to see you guys next week. Thank you for watching.